Do not worry, be happy. Take out all the worries from your mind. So, always be happy. Worry makes you tense and affects the nerves, whereas laughing and being happy will keep the whole body fit. Life is like a bicycle. When it is not moving, it falls. A smile creates happiness. It costs nothing but gives a lot. It enriches those who give. Para. We must live and enjoy every minute, every second of life. Where there are sorrows in our life, there is always happiness. A life of sacrifice is the art and is full of true joy until we test the sorrow. We will not be able to know the meaning of true happiness. Life is a bundle of events which may be pleasant or unpleasant. Have courage for the great sorrows of life and patience for a small one. Sleep in peace. God is awake. Face all the problems of your life with a smiling face, because sorrows and happiness are the two main things of life. So, always be cheerful and be bold, because without these things there is no meaning of life. When we have not what we like, we must like what we have. Para. Be cheerful and make everyone around you happy. You smile an inch, but it gives the pleasures of miles. It takes a moment, but the memory of it sometimes lasts for long. Para. Always remember that smiling brings happiness in life.